Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're still working on ET-15000 printer, and this printer has those daily error 000031. Again, the video is shot in the lab. There'll be some background noises. Here's Abby.
Hey guys, it's Abby here. I'm going to show you how to fix this 000031 error on this ET-15000 printer. It comes up as a paper jam, so I took that side cover off of the printer, make sure there was nothing stuck in the side gears. So you'll see that the carriage can't make it all the way over because this little plastic piece is not lined up with the crease or the fold directly on the FFC cables leading to the print head. So when I lined it back up, I was able to push it all the way over so it can read fully and then send back. So once I adjusted the plastic to the fold and the crease along with the FFC cables leading to the print head, I powered it back on, and you can see it comes back all the way, and now it folds in nicely back behind the carriage so it can reach all the way to the side rollers, read the scanners, and then get sent back to the start position. Once it gets back to the start position, it can read, and then we'll see that we get no error. So from there, I just wanted to test a print page. I will go ahead and say that it's good, and I'm going to press a print nozzle page. So we'll check that out, and we'll see that the carriage prints well. So it was a really easy fix. You can just check to see that the small plastic piece is lined up correctly with your print head, so it can go all the way to the left and all the way back home. So happy printing, everyone. We fixed it.